Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record Roblox using OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll need to open your OBS application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where you'll add all the visual elements that OBS will capture during your recording. In the Sources section, look for the small plus icon and click on it. This will open a menu with various capture options that OBS offers. From this list, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to record everything that appears on your monitor, which is perfect for capturing your Roblox gameplay along with any other windows or overlays you might want to include. After selecting Display Capture, a small window will pop up asking you to name your source. You can rename it to something specific like Roblox to keep your sources organized, especially if you plan to use multiple capture sources in the future. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to proceed. Next, another window will appear with additional settings for your display capture. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Display. Click on this drop-down and select your preferred monitor from the list of available displays. This is particularly important if you're using a multi-monitor setup, as it ensures OBS captures the correct screen where you'll be playing Roblox. After making your selection, click OK to confirm. Once you've added the display capture, you'll see a preview of your screen appear in the main OBS window. If needed, you can resize or reposition this capture by clicking and dragging the edges of the preview. This allows you to adjust the framing and ensure everything looks exactly how you want it before you start recording. Now, when you're ready to start recording your Roblox gameplay, look at the right panel of the OBS interface. You'll find a button labeled Start Recording. Simply click this button and OBS will immediately begin capturing everything on your selected display. You'll notice a small timer appear, indicating that your recording is active and showing you how long you've been recording. Once you finish playing and want to stop the recording, click the Stop Recording button in the same right panel. OBS will then save your recording to your default output folder, and you'll have a complete video file of your Roblox gameplay ready to edit or share. And that's it. You've successfully set up OBS to record your Roblox sessions with a clean display capture that captures all your gameplay and interactions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.